As India deals with the international outbreak of swine flu, the message from the government in India is clear: do not panic. India is still in the containment stage, which means the spread of the virus is not out of control. The disease can be tracked, screened and treated, since the community will come out and report such cases. The government says India is well stocked with Tamiflu medication to deal with a large outbreak, and that the government will not resort to forced isolation of patients just yet. Tanima Biswas has more.
On a day the WHO declared the swine flu virus a global pandemic, 2 patients walked out of this city hospital in the middle of their treatment. NDTV had reported how quarantine rules were broken for the same patients who were allowed to stay at their farmhouse. Today the Health Ministry claimed the patients are back in an isolation center, but the government says they will not resort to forced isolation, and there's no need for Indians to panic. So is India prepared to fight swine flu? The government says it has enough medicines, doctors are being trained, labs are being upgraded, and thermal sensors are being set up at the airport for passengers who don't report themselves. The ministry has also asked national airlines to hand an advisory to passengers. The idea is to recognize the symptoms and report themselves before boarding the plane.
We have now equipped all states to respond rapidly to any report of an influenza-like illness in their areas.
But while the government insists it's ready to fight the flu, much of its defense is dependent on citizens following the rules. In New Delhi, Tanima Biswas for NDTV.